Good morning, everyone. Today is June 12, 2024. First of all, the Nigerian Labour Congress has shifted till tomorrow to announce their industrial action, to announce their recommencement of the indefinite strike, because today is a public holiday. However, there have been a planned strike that is going to go on today, and it's still going to go on. It will commence very soon by 10 o'clock in Lagos State. The Take It Back movement coordinator have been arrested by the Department of State Service in conjunction with the Nigerian police. You know, protest is a human right in other nations, but when it comes to Nigeria, that is an evidence to prove that we don't have a democracy or a working democracy in Nigeria. For police and DSS to go after someone who is coordinating a protest today, it shows that something is seriously wrong with our nation. Now, anytime the DSS, the police hear about strike, they will be afraid, they will be terrified. Why are they being afraid of protest if they know that they are doing well? After all, it's a peaceful protest. Now, this was how everything about the issue government have with IPOB started till today. IPOB is a peaceful organization. When they are protesting, they will be blowing whistle. They don't even hold stick, but they sent military after them. They sent python dance after them. They did all sorts of things, and they are creating monsters through all those things that they have done. Now, this is an article from Shara Reporters. It reads, Take It Back National Coordinator Sanyaolu Juwon arrested in Lagos amid Clampdown on planned June 12 peaceful protest. Coalition of civil society organizations and the African National Congress have announced the arrest of one of the coordinators of We Are Hungry protest slated for Wednesday, June 12, that is today. According to the CSOS and the party in a statement, the activist comrade Sanyaolu Juwon was arrested in Lagos. The statement was signed by the Speaker Bright, coordinator Take It Back Movement, Northwest, Peluo Adewande, National Mobilization Officer, Joint Action Front JAF, Hassan Taiwo, Soweto, National Coordinator Education Right Campaign, and so many of them that signed this statement. The statement reads, information reaching us at 10:05 p.m., that was yesterday, they arrested him yesterday, is that one of the coordinators of We Are Hungry protest slated for tomorrow, June 12, 2024, has been arrested by the security agents in Lagos State, following series of threats by the Department of State Service and the Nigerian Police Force to clamp down on peaceful democracy day protest. Around 10 p.m., Comrade Sanyaolu Juwon, the national coordinator of the TIB, sent distress message to a members of the movement saying he has been arrested and taken to an unknown location. Efforts to reach him have failed. Now, the protest now, because of this arrest, the protest now gain momentum. You see, the Nigerian security agents, they are doing what I call misplacement of priority. You know, there are some things that they are supposed to do. They're supposed to face the banditry. They're supposed to face the insecurity. They're supposed to face the Boko Haram. They're supposed to be gathering and mobilizing intelligence to, discover where the threats of insecurity are. Where is the next kidnapping taking place? Where is the next bomb taking place? These are the things they're supposed to be busy doing. But they are busy trying to clamp down people who are planning to protest peacefully. According to Femi Fandana, protest is your right, and nobody, including the president, that can stop you from protesting, because the president doesn't have right more than you, police don't have right more than you, the DSS don't have right more than you. So because of this arrest, it has, given a lot of people morale. It has put that motivation on people. You know what is going on as I speak to you at this moment? People are already mobilizing en masse. So how many people will DSS arrest? How many people will the police arrest? This is a problem that these people, as Nigeria, don't learn from history. What is the business of you arresting those who are coming out to protest that they are hungry? The question is, are Nigerians not hungry? Absolutely, we are hungry. We are hungry. There is no doubt about that. We are hungry. We are hungry. Now, the issue of this protest, police, they are just afraid because they think maybe they will hijack it and it will escalate, because they don't want anything like NSAS protest to happen again, because this was how it started. But it will happen again if police don't respect human rights. rise of people to protest, rise of people to demand what they want. Now, if the police are trying to come against people who want to protest peacefully today, what about the planned protests that the Nigerian Labour Congress are planning? Police don't know yet. DSS don't know yet. So what will happen during those protests? Nigerians know what is coming, but it's unfortunate that police, DSS, and even the federal government, they don't even know what is coming before them. How can you clamp down people who are trying to protest peacefully? And I saw so many lawyers, senior advocate of Nigeria, like Falana, lawyers like Deji, they wrote yesterday that the arrest has nothing to do with stopping the protest today. So if DSS targeted one of their coordinators so as to neutralize people who wanted to come and protest, it was a big mistake they wrote in the side of DSS. So just imagine now a protest that someone like Falana is going to participate. DSS never knew that such people are going to participate in this protest. Now, they said, we are not surprised at this strategy of intimidation, but the news we have for this tyrannical and reunion Tinubu regime is that the arrest is rather too late. The veil is off, and Nigerians can see through the cluelessness of this government, just as I said before. So this arrest has triggered motivation. It is too late. This is not the time of arresting people because they want to protest in Nigeria, because you are just doing everything in futile. Now, they said, we want to state categorically that the tactics of the Nigerian security apparatus already mobilized by the presidency is too late. Nigerians are not deterred, as they have resolved to protest against hardship, and nothing shall stop them tomorrow. That is today. So, if you are in Lagos, if you are in Abuja, these are the two major areas that this protest is going to take place. All these protests, it pains me that I'm not always around where they are doing it. I like joining protests. I like protesting because it's my right to protest. They said, we also want to advise that instead of wasting time on harassment and arrest, the police should release him immediately, as this act of human rights violation will be heavily resisted now and beyond. Our demands in the midst of the wicked policies of the Tinubu regime are that hardship must end, gruesome hunger must end, insecurity, claiming lives of thousands must end, hike in fees must stop, fuel hike must end, etc. In conclusion, we again urge the Nigerian long-suffering people not to concede to threat and intimidation. Protest is an unalienable right under a democracy. We shall not relent until victory is achieved. And luta continua, Victoria Asata. So, I encourage every Nigerian who really want to do anything to exercise their displeasure about this government to do that without looking back. Because this government doesn't look back. They don't look back if they want to punish you. They don't look back if they want to put you into suffering. So don't look back if you want to protest.